Hello guys, myself Yash Kalamkar from the channel Medicos Yash Kalamkar. आज का वीडियो स्पेशली फॉर JEE एस्पिरेंट एंड NIST एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए। वो हर बार सोचते रहते हैं अपना फ्यूचर क्या रहेगा। इसलिए 12th में साइंस ले लेते हैं। सब घर के बोलते हैं साइंस ले ले अच्छा रहता है। 12th में SSC में साइंस ले ले अच्छा रहता है। आपने कभी सोचा उसके बाद लाइफ क्या रहती है, फ्यूचर क्या रहता है? आप अपने पैरों पे खड़े हो सकते हैं या नहीं हो सकते हैं? आपको इतना ध्यान में रखना है, आपको जो भी कुछ भी करना है वो ध्यान से कीजिए। ये मैं आपको वादा है। आप सिर्फ वीडियो देखिए, आप सब कुछ समझ जाएंगे। सो कीप गोइंग ऑन। सी फर्स्ट HSC टर्निंग पॉइंट ऑफ लाइफ। जैसे टर्निंग पॉइंट ऑफ लाइफ, नथिंग एल्स। HSC में बोर्ड में मार्क नहीं मिले तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन जो कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम रहती है लाइक JEE, पहले मेन क्वालिफाई करना पड़ता है, बाद में एडवांस क्वालिफाई करना पड़ता है। अभी कुछ नए रूल्स आ गए JEE में, मेंस 2 बार दे सकते हैं, तो आपका ईयर वेस्ट नहीं जाएगा। ये NIST एस्पिरेंट्स साल में एक ही बार होता है, वो भी मई मंथ में एक ही बार होता है। हर बार का फिक्स है उनका फर्स्ट संडे ऑफ मे। फर्स्ट संडे ऑफ द मे इज फिक्स एज द नीट एग्ज़ाम। कीप इन माइंड। बाद में CET एस्पिरेंट्स है, वो आफ्टर नीट उनकी एग्ज़ाम रहती है, वो फिक्स है। वो स्टेट लेवल्स की, हर स्टेट के हिसाब से अलग अलग है। लाइक तेलंगाना MCET इज़ देयर, महाराष्ट्र CET is there, Karnataka KCET is there, and Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh MP CET is there. Every state has their own। 12th के बच्चे इतना कंफ्यूज रहते हैं, आपको भी मालूम नहीं चलेगा। इतने डिप्रेशन में रहते हैं घर वाले, बेटा इंजीनियरिंग ले ले, बेटा मेडिकल ले ले, बेटा ये ले ले, बेटा वो ले ले। लेकिन उनको थोड़ी ना मालूम रहता है अपने सर पे कितना डिप्रेशन है, आगे क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, अपना एम क्या है। अपने को मेडिकल में जाना रहता है, घर वाले बोलते इंजीनियरिंग कर ले। साइड वाले पड़ोसी का बच्चा इंजीनियरिंग करके IIT में तो हो गया, लेकिन मुझे मैथ ही पसंद नहीं, तो मैं इंजीनियरिंग करके क्या करूँ? आप ही बोलो, सच में ना। घर वाले समझ में नहीं लेते, बिल्कुल भी नहीं लेते। सो I have decided I am from the medical student, so grab it and blast. Next topic is towards medical. There are many courses which will be valuable to you. So stay updated and like my channel, subscribe it and share it. Thanks.
Hello guys, now we talked about this everything. अभी तक मैंने आपको सब कुछ बताया, अभी ध्यान दीजिए। दिस इज माय पेज। आफ्टर SSC what? This video is only for science students. This is video for science students. Keep in mind, engineers, pharmacists, doctors, nurse, biotechnical engineer, forensic science, agriculture officer. How? Still surviving. Which field is great to choose? So I am here to solve your question. So keep up, stay want to try to get admission in the medical field or engineering, or maybe both, that is biotechnical engineers, foreign, that is biotechnical engineers. In this field, we greatly choose about both the engineering and medical field as well. Forensic science, agriculture officer, IAS officer, IPS officer as well. Let's be talk towards the engineers. There are many branches, but I mentioned some of the main branches where you can get the more and good opportunities and salary as well. Civil branch, mechanical branch, electrical branch, software and hardware, that is computer branch, and IT branch, many more. For that, you need 12th 60% passing, JEE, that is main and advanced qualified. In a particular state, there are engineering colleges with application by CET, that is common entrance test, JEE main and advanced for IIT colleges, which will be held at two times, that is JEE main is holding two times in a year. So the students will not get students never get students never get the problem to face, and it will not their it will not lose their ears as well, because JEE means it two times conducted in a year. So it is good opportunity there where a typical branches focuses on what we expect. It focuses on medical field here. These are the courses available in the medical fields: MBBS, BDS, BUMS, that is Bachelor of Unani Medicine, BAMS, that is Ayurvedic Science, BHMS, that is Homeopathic Science, BVSC, that is, you were unknown to this, but I will tell you, this is a veterinary science and has good opportunities like the BDS and the BMS students, and BVSC for veterinary doctors, VPDA, that is physiotherapy, BOPTA, that is Bachelor of Ophthalmology, that is eye specialty. Uh, then after BBSC nursing, that is very high and securely and the highest degree ever seen, because there are many subjects than the what we expect. Forensic science, these all the courses need NEET as a competitive exam. Because NEET eligibility, you can't go through courses. You can give a management quota also, but you need NEET compulsory. NEET is compulsory for the medical students. So keep in mind to give competitive exam after the HSC. That is, you have to fill the form in the month of Jan and Feb, and the exams are still. I have taught you what is that date. The first week and the first Sunday of the May. That is the date of exam and day of exam. Uh, then. Then these were the cutoffs of last 2019, and for forensic science you have to reach another side, but NEET is compulsory and the CET is also compulsory for the students. Pharmacy, 12th with 60% passing plus CET and the required for government college. 12 plus 60% passing and the CET is required for the government college, that is in pharmacy. Biotechnical engineers, 12 plus CET is required. Agriculture office, that is BSc nursing, it is a good qualification in which you get agriculture officer degree. You can go for higher studies, that is MSc and then PhD as well. You can get the good opportunity in the government sector and a high valuable course, and that you need 12 plus CET may more for government colleges that need to be 98 95 percentile so for the good career. As I am from the medical field, I will try to give you best information related to this field. Stay updated please. After this video we will be soon came back. Link in description new out tomorrow. Stay updated. That is the new in that I will tell you tomorrow for the medical field demonstration, head marking of need, courses, seats availability, opportunities, job clarification and doubts stay in comment section. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys and hope you best and have a wonderful exams and thank you and all the best for the CET students who will be appearing exam from the 10th of October. Thank you.